Galing ni Ethan. Backhand yun?
Ano lang na, after backhand, just simulate throwing to the second base. Okay? Simulate throwing to the first base. Do not go to the base, okay? When you receive, throw to the first base, okay? Simulation. No, throw. Why throw? Kasi your shortstop you are in the second base. You cannot give like that for the first base. Okay? Or that would work if you are a first base and the pitcher is going to the base. You get the point? But we will simulate that you are far, you are the second base guy, throwing to the first base guy. Okay?
But so I stand over here.
Here. Don't neglect the base. Just neglect the base. Our purpose now is catching the backhand and throw to the first base guy that's over there. You are the second base guy, okay? Good job? It's either you're the second base or the shortstop.
Good job, Fred. Don't forget the ball.
That's good. Oh. Pag papunta siya sa gitna, huwag mo ibakhan. Okay? Our is ganito mo or ibakhan mo siya. Okay? Last 4 balls. Huwag mataranta, huwag may stiff. Relax lang, relax. Oh, sorry. Last round.
Done.
When you are so far, Ethan, try to throw on the second base or the first base, okay? Try to jump, okay? Jump talaga. Huwag para yung blood mo mag-flow, okay? Backhand, good job. Wow, nice. Oh, too high. Sorry. Throw mo na. Yan. Yan, hindi mo na mahabol yun pag ganun. Okay? Just throw it to that shortstop. Once you meet a mistake, throw it to the first base or second base. Patalanta. Position agad. This time we try to just position to throw to the second base, okay? Throw to the first base.
Throw to the third base.
Try to turn. Touch, turn, and then turn. Okay? Double turn. Okay? Like, when you see that he's going back and then throw over here. Throw back. Okay?
Galing, Ethan. Good job, Fred.